Hi, friends. This is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back for our announcement of our Winter Bible Journaling Camp 2021. And even though it is on top of our Love 2-week, 10-day class, we're still going to have our Monday through Friday. So if you are interested, email me at BibleJournalingCamps@gmail.com. It's listed below, and you can get a free kit. You must be 18 years or older or subscribe to the channel. Now, I am super excited. We are going to use all online tools. It is going to be a fun camp. Um, it's interesting enough. If you want to go to Instagram to see our verse for this camp, it is something completely different. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. It's one of my all-time favorite verses. Lord really laid it on my heart, and now in light of everything that's gone on, it's a perfect verse. So the focus is love. We're going to continue with our look at John's writing in love, but we're going to take a little different turn this time. We're going to add in a little bit more of the Old Testament. So all you need for this camp is to be 18 years or older, subscribe to this channel, and you must send me an email. The kits are limited, so if you want a free kit, please email me. Put in the subject line, Winter Bible Journaling Camp 2021 or WBJC 2021. And that way I will get you a kit by Friday. I'm hoping to get all those emailed out, barring we lose electricity or internet or anything else that's going out around here these days. Number one, I want to say thank you to everyone who's praying. Our town has the water compromised, rolling outages through all of Texas. Rough news today on the state level, but you know what? Our God is in control. He knows what we need. He knows our needs, and he knows what we need and when we need it. So I just want to say thank you for everyone who's praying, who sent messages, who sent emails. I haven't answered all because we've been trying to keep as much electricity off to save for other people. We are doing great. Matter of fact, we have not run anything but an infrared heater all day today to save electricity. Turning on the light here and the camera or my phone is the most electricity we've used today. So outside of our little infrared heater, and we have been watching the Up Faith and Family channel, and I can't remember something else, but